problems. Understanding different types of algorithms, such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning, is crucial. These algorithms form the basis for tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive modeling.
Data structures are equally important in AI. They determine how data is organized and stored, impacting the efficiency of algorithms. Understanding data structures like arrays, linked lists, trees, and graphs will enhance your ability to design and implement efficient AI solutions. Numerous online platforms offer comprehensive AI and machine learning courses. Section 4. Resources for Success online courses and hands-on learning.
These courses cover a wide range of topics, from the basics to advanced concepts. Coursera, edX, and Udacity provide high-quality courses taught by industry experts.
Online learning provides flexibility and allows you to learn at your own pace.
Hands-on experience is invaluable in AI. Engage in project-based learning to apply your knowledge and develop practical skills.
Participate in online competitions, contribute to open-source projects, or work on personal AI projects.
Internships at AI-focused companies provide real-world exposure and mentorship opportunities.
Section 5. Shaping the future career prospects in AI. The demand for skilled AI professionals is soaring. As technology advances, the need for expertise in artificial intelligence is becoming more critical than ever.
AI is transforming various sectors, including entertainment, transportation, where autonomous vehicles and smart traffic systems are becoming the norm. Finance, with AI-driven tools revolutionizing stock market analysis and financial advising. And healthcare, where AI is enhancing diagnostics and patient care. As AI continues to revolutionize industries, career opportunities in this field are abundant. AI engineers are needed in diverse sectors, including healthcare
and research, where new AI technologies are being developed and tested. Machine learning engineering, focusing on creating and refining algorithms. Data science, where analyzing and interpreting complex datasets is key. And AI engineering, which involves developing intelligent systems and applications. With a strong foundation in AI, you can pursue roles such as AI engineer.
The future of AI is bright. By embarking on this learning path, you are positioning yourself at the forefront of innovation. The possibilities are endless, and the impact you can make is profound.
Embrace the challenges, stay curious, and continuously update your skills to thrive in this dynamic and rewarding domain. The journey may be demanding, but the rewards are immense.
Your journey into the world of AI starts today. Equip yourself with the knowledge and skills to become a leader in this exciting field.